Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. We are discussing with the topic circles, and we found what is circumference of a circle and how to find the circumference of a circle. What is the equation for circumference of the circle? Yes, 2 pi r, where r is the radius, pi is the constant. And what is circumference? It is the distance around a circle. Okay, so what is today's topic? Area of circle. That is how to find the area of circle. So far we have studied area of rectangle, area of parallelogram, isn't it? So this area of a circle also we are relating with area of parallelogram or rectangle. For that I am going to divide a circle into sectors. What do you mean by sectors? It's a portion of circle, isn't it? It is a portion of circle. Its two sides are radius and this side is an arc which is part of the circumference. You know, this total length is the circumference, isn't it? So this much portion is means it's a part of circumference. So I'm going to divide the circle into some sectors. First I divided into 4 sectors, and these 4 sectors I joined like this. So first sector coming here, then here 4 sectors. Approximately you can see it is having a shape of parallelogram. Not exact parallelogram, but it's having a shape of parallelogram. So what I did, I increased the number of sectors. Here there is only 4 parts. Here I made it how many parts? 8 parts. So it is coming towards what? A parallelogram. When you see that, what is this side? It is a part of the arc, isn't it? And this side is the radius. So you can say this side is the part of the circumference and this side is the radius. Now when we increase the sectors, what happens? That portion, one part we joined here, and like that we are making a what? A parallelogram. So when I increased the number of sectors, here it was 8, then I increased. It is, see, you can see, first it was not having a proper parallelogram. Then it became a parallelogram. Slowly we made it into a rectangle. So the given circle, by dividing into sectors, you can see we made it as what? A rectangle. Now what is a rectangle's area? Length into breadth, isn't it? Length into breadth is the area. So when comparing like this, what is this length and what is its breadth? When a circle we converted into rectangle. So this circle, when the number of portion sectors increased, we made it into a parallelogram, isn't it? So what is the area of a parallelogram? Again, base into height. So what is base? What comes the base? Base is this portion, isn't it? This portion is the portion in the arc. And this side is the what it is. This length is the radius, isn't it? This all. The distance between the center and any point of the circle is what? Radius. So all this distance are radius, and this portion comes what? The side or a part of circumference, isn't it? Now when we think this equally, we are dividing the what? Sectors. Here we have placed the equals. Here also 8, here also 8. So that means here comes half the distance and here comes the half the distance. So what is the total distance around a circle? What we call that? It is circumference, isn't it? What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So what will be the half of 2 pi r? Pi r. So this length is pi r and this length is radius is r. So we know area of parallelogram is what? Base into height. Here comes pi r, here comes radius. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r into r. R into r means pi r square. This picture makes you clear. Here see, we have divided this sector into 16 parts. That means red and blue parts. The red parts have been arranged down and the blue parts have been arranged in the top. So you can see half of the sectors we have arranged here and half we have arranged here. So that means the total circumference half is coming here. You know the total circumference is 2 pi r. So that is half is placed here and half is placed here. Now 2 pi r, half of 2 pi r is pi r. Now the area is base into height. So pi r into r gives you pi r square. So we have area of a circle is pi r square. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, where area of circle is pi r square. Don't get confused between circumference and area. Area is pi r square. Now we can solve some problems related to area. First question, find the area of the circles given that the radius 14 millimeter. So in order to find radius or circumference, what we need? Only radius. So here radius is given 14 millimeter. Here they have asked you to take pi equal to 22 by 7. I said why they are giving such? Because to make our calculation easy. So given r equal to 14 millimeter, then what is the relation for area? Area of the circle is pi r square. So directly applying pi into 14 into 14. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into 14. R is what? 14. So r square means r multiplying 2 times. So 14 into 14. Now 7 and 14, what you have? 7 and 14 you will have 7 in 14 2 times. So cancelling out, what you will have? 2. So this 14 becomes 2. So 22 into 2 you have 44. 44 into 14 you have the answer 616. Second, diameter is given as 49 meter. It's given as diameter, not radius. So for first we have to find the radius. What is radius? Diameter by 2. That is 49 by 2. Here they are not simplifying because it's a multiple of 7. Now substituting in area, pi r square. Pi taking 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Now 7 and 49 are 7 into 7 is 49. Again this 2 can be cancelled by 11. Now nothing common. So 11 into 49 into 7 divided by 2. That is 3773 by 2. You will get 1886.5 meter square. So in this way you have to make the calculation easy. For that if you are getting a multiple of 7 and 2, you should make it like that so that calculation will be easy. Next, radius 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 centimeter, taking pi r square. 22 by 7 into 5 into 5. Here there is nothing to cancel down. So multiplying 22 into 5 into 5, you will get 550. Now 550 by 7 is equal to 78.57 centimeters square. So this is direct application of area of triangle. How will you find the area of triangle? Pi r square. When radius is given, just applying pi r square. R square means multiplying r twice. R into r, that is r square. Next question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Circumference is given. Nothing else is given. So from the equation of circumference we have to find the radius, then we have to find area. So tell me, what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. That value is given as 154. So from that equation we have to find r. So given 2 pi r is equal to 154. Now solving for r. So taking, here they have asked you to take pi 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Now solving, taking this 7 in here, 7 comes multiplication and 2 and 22 will coming out down. So r is equal to 154 into 7 by 2 into 22 is equal to, cancelling all, balance we have 49 by 2. That is what? R we have 49 by 2. Now we have to find what? We have to find the area. So area of the sheet is equal to what? What is the equation for area? Pi r square. Now r we got what? 49 by 2. So again substituting 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Why we are multiplying 49 by 2? Because r square. Now cancelling 7, 49, 2 in 22. We have 3773 by 2, that is 1886.5 meter square. Here if you 49 by 2, if you are again finding the value, you will get a decimal value. But instead of that, if you are writing in the same manner, this 49 is a multiple of 7, so we can cancel down. That is why they wrote 49 by 2 in the same way. Next question. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 meter square. Here cost of polishing a circular tabletop means we have to cover the entire tabletop, not only the edges but full entire top, isn't it? So we have to find the area. If they are asking for only the boundary distance, we have to find the circumference. Here when polishing and all, we'll take full area. So we have to find the area. So what is given? Diameter of the table is given. We need what for area? Radius. So first find the radius of the table from the given diameter. So diameter is given as 1.6 meter. From that we will get radius is 1.6 by 2 is 0.8 meter. Here we change it into a decimal number because y means 1.6 is not a multiple of 7. Now area of the tabletop is what? Area of any circular thing you will have what? Pi r square. Now given radius is given, so pi r square substituting, taking the value for pi 3.14. So 3.14 into what is the value of r? 0.8. So 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. Here nothing for cancelling and all, direct multiplication. It's multiplication with decimals. So first avoid the decimal point, multiply the numbers. At last when you get the answer, put the decimal point. That means first multiply 314 into 8 into 8. Now the product, here after the decimal point you have one place, here also one place, here two places. So total 4 places. So putting the decimal point, you will have 2.0096 meter square. So this is the total area of the table. Now one more question there I have asked. If the rate of polishing is 15 meter square per, that means for 1 meter square, what is the rate? Rupees 15. So what will be the cost of 2.0096 meter square? Multiply the total area with the 15. So what you have? Rupees 30.14. This is not exact value because it's a decimal number. So they have rounded. So rupees 30.14. So what we did here? First it is the diameter is given. So first we found the radius. Then we found the area. Now we got what? Area for polishing. Now the rate of polishing is given. That rate for 1 meter is given and we want to find the area. Total area's cost. So multiplying with the 1 meter cost. Next question. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and areas of the circle. Same type of question. Circumference is given. We have to find the radius, then the area. If you know the radius only, we can find area or circumference. A circumference is given. We have to find the area. So first we have to find what? From the given circumference, we have to find what? R. That is 2 pi r is equal to 31.4. Now solving for r, 31.4 divided by 2 into 3.14. What is this 3.14? Pi. Because 31.4 and 3.14, they have a relation, isn't it? So they used 31.4. Now solving, we are getting 5 centimeter. How we are getting means, here 31.4, here 3.14. So just remove the decimal point. 31.4 here after the decimal point you have one place. Here you have two places. So multiply both numerator and denominator with 100. Then you will get here 3140 and here you will get 2 into 314. Now cancelling, you will get here 10 by 2 which is 5 centimeter. Or directly if you are multiplying and dividing, you will get the answer 5 centimeter. So you got r as 5 centimeter. Then finding the area of the circle. What is area of the circle? Pi r square. What is pi? 3.14 into 5 into 5. You will get 78.5 centimeter square. So they have asked you to find the radius, then area. So we found the radius and area. So coming to the end of the class, we were discussing with the circles, and first we found the circumference of circle, and today's class we discussed what is area of circle and how to find the area of circle. Then we solved some problems on area of circle. Now practice by yourself some more problems from your textbook. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper and practice the equation for circumference of circle and area of circle. Don't get confused between two equations. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. So don't get confused between these two equations. If possible, write and study the equation, then it will be everlasting in your mind. So we'll meet with the next session in the next class. Thank you.